Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. I am Vaishali Kikan and we are discussing the digital circuits. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the introduction to the various number systems and its various types. So let's start our discussion with the introduction to the basic number systems that we have. We have basically four types of number system. The most commonly used number system is the decimal number system, and the computers are using the binary number system. The binary number system are in the form of zeros and one. As I told you, the digital systems are operating in the 0-1 form. So computers will be using the digital number systems, right? That is a binary number system and they will be processing it. But remembering long zeros and ones, right, it is not very easy. So we have another number system like the octal and the hexadecimal number system, by which we can remember large binary numbers, right? So these are the four types of number system that we have. If you are doing any computation in your daily lives, you are using the decimal number system. Now comes the base value, or which we call the radix value. So how many numbers, different numbers I am using in a given number system, that is determined by the radix value. So radix value or the base value is represented by x, and it is 10 for the decimal number system. So decimal number system will be starting from 0 and it will be having the values up to base minus 1. So base is 10, so it will be having values up to 9. So 0, 1, 2 up to 9, I will be having all of the numbers which are representing the decimal number system. If I have any base 6, so I will be having numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6 up to 6 minus 1, I will be having all of the numbers in this number system, right? So this is how I can represent the base. So if I have to represent any number with the base x, now base is x. Now in the left hand side of the decimal number system, so we have m digits, and the right hand side of the decimal we have n digits. So a1, a2 up to am are the digits which are left of the decimal, and at the right b1, b2 up to bn are there. So how I can represent this number? So the number can be represented with this formula. So I will be taking the leftmost digit, I will be multiplying it with base raised to power m minus 1. I will be counting how many numbers we have. So m would be the total numbers we have in the left, right? So am x raised to power m minus 1 plus am minus 1 x raised to power m minus 2. I am going to decrease the value of x power, and then I will be reach up to a2, which will be having power x raised to power 1, a1 will be having power x raised to power 0, right? So a1 multiplied with x raised to power 0 we will be having. Then we have the b1 multiplied with x raised to power minus 1. So the right hand side of the decimal number will be having the powers in the minus form, right? So b1 with power x raised to power minus 1, b2 with multiplication of x raised to power minus 2 up to bn multiplied with x raised to power minus n, and this is how I will be getting the representation of any number system. So now coming to the most significant digit, MSD is the most significant digit. Most significant digit is the leftmost digit. Here the leftmost digit is am, so I will be calling am as the most significant digit. LSD is the least significant digit. So LSD, which would be the rightmost digit. So here Bn is the rightmost digit. So here the LSD is Bn. Now coming to the all four types of number system. Here I am going to introduce all four types of number system, then we will be moving towards their interconversions. We will be seeing each and every interconversion. For suppose decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal, binary to decimal, octal and hexadecimal, octal to decimal, binary and hexadecimal. We will be seeing all types of conversion. So first of all, we should understand all of them. So what is the decimal number system? The decimal number system is the number system that we are most commonly using, and here the radix value would be 10. So if I have any number which is given, so n is given, so how I can represent this number? It can be represented with this formula. So I can represent n as 5. So which position is this? This is the fourth position. And what is the base? For decimal number system, we have base 10. 10 raised to power 4 minus 1, which is 3. Plus 6. 10 raised to power 4 minus 2, which is 2. Plus 4. 10 raised to power 1. Plus last digit is 5 into 10 raised to power 0. Plus now here after the decimal we have 7 into 10 raised to power minus 1 plus 7 into 10 raised to power minus 2 plus 8 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So this is how I will be getting each of the numbers. So now let's multiply them. 5 into 10 raised to power 3 would be 5000. 6 into 10 raised to power 2 will be 600. 4 into 10 raised to power 1 will be 40. 5 into 10 raised to power 0. 10 raised to power 0 would be 1. It would be 5 only. Right? Plus 7 into 10 raised to power minus 1 will be 0.7. 7 into 10 raised to power minus 2 will be 0.07. Plus 8 into 10 raised to power minus 3, 0.008. Now when you add all of them, you found out that the number is 5645.778. So this is how I can represent any number system. I have verified this is the formula that is used to represent the any number system. Here I have represented it for the decimal number system. Now coming to the binary number system. For the binary number system, the radix value would be 2, right? So here if I have the number 101.011, how you can represent it? So I will be representing it as 1 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0 plus 0 into 2 raised to power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 4. Right? So this is how you can represent it. Now you can multiply these things and you can represent it as 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to power minus 1 would be 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 2, 1 upon 4. What is 1 upon 4? You all know it is 0.25 plus 1 upon 8. This is 2 raised to power minus 3. So here we will be having 1 upon 8. So which will be equal to 0.125. So now if I add all of them, you will be getting 5.375. So this is how you will be getting the number in the decimal number system from the binary. So this is how you can even represent any number system. Now coming to the octal number system. So octal number system has the radix value 8. So here we have the number 25.44. So how I can represent it? 2 with the 8 raised to power 1 plus 5 with 8 raised to power 0, 0.4, 4 with 8 raised to power minus 1 plus 4 with 8 raised to power minus 2. So now here we will be having 8 into 2, that is 16 plus 5 into 8 raised to power 0, which will be 5. Now here I hope you understood how I am doing the computation. 4 upon 8 will be 0.5. 4 upon 8 into 8, right? So you can represent it as 0.5 upon 8, right? Or 4 upon 64, right? That I will be writing so that you will not get confused. 4 upon 64. Now try to find out the answer, and when you find out the answer, it comes 21.5625. So this is how you can do the computation and represent the octal number system. Now coming to the hexadecimal number system. In the hexadecimal number system, the radix value is 16. So the number can be represented as A is the number which is representing the 10. So here I hope you remember how I told you we will be having the numbers. If the radix value is 8, we will be having the number starting from 0 and it will go up to 7. right? 1, 2 up to 7. Here we will be having 0 and 1 only, right? But here we will be having 0, 1, 2 up to 9. After 9 I cannot have any combination of 0 and 1. So what I will be doing, I will be taking the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, right, and F as well. So this is how I can represent the hexadecimal number system. So now what is A? A is representing my 10th position. So 10 into 16 raised to power 1 plus 1 into 16 raised to power 0 plus 8 into 16 raised to power minus 1 plus A. This is A again 10 into 16 raised to power minus 2. Now 16 raised to power minus 2 is 1 upon 256. So how I can represent it? 160 plus 1 plus 8 upon 16 plus 10 upon 256. So now when you compute it, you will be getting the answer 161.5003. So you will be computing and you will be calculating the final answer. With the help of your calculator, you can do the computation. So this is how I have concluded this session. So now we understood what is the number system, what are the 4 types of number system, and how we represent them, what is the radix value for all of them. So I hope you like this session. If you like it, please push the like button, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and also give me your feedback. Thank you so much.